from general repairs to complete restorations for vehicles. One of the main problems with the vehicles these days is the foam collapses a bit and people don't feel comfortable anymore in the car, right, on their seats. So what we do is we repack the bottom of the seat or the back, like lumbar situations or things like that. My brother started it in 1976 and I joined him in '81, and I was a mechanic before that, a certified mechanic, and it was still in the general field. And it just worked out well, and I loved doing it. Sewing was the hardest part to learn. It took me a few years until I finally got that down. It was just working on vehicles and seeing from start to finish what it was before, and then what you end up with on a finished product. A lot of people don't even realize businesses like this exist, right? They think that you bring it to the dealer and they get everything done. Meanwhile, the dealer subs to smaller shops like us. Well, I call myself a dinosaur because I was not one of these social media or anything like that. And so the first time, I started talking to my daughters, and she started talking about how I should get on either Instagram or things like this. And she goes, but the website I had before was not friendly for mobile phones, right? Luckily, someone walked in from BreezeMax and went from there, and it really took off well. They were really good. They explained to me everything. As they set up the website, they came in, they were punctual. They put a great website together for me because I'm not one of these computer oriented persons, but I'm just happy with just the emails I get because of the website, and I pick up quite a few jobs from it, so I'm really, really satisfied with them. They were really helpful in the sense that, like I said, I'm not computer oriented, so when they explained to me certain words that people, when they go online, and these words associated with upholstery, which I never even thought about when I, even thinking about this from the beginning. And so I guess from those words that people look up, and upholstery comes up, and my website comes up, and I guess that's probably the best thing about it. These kind of businesses now, I'm sure a lot of people aren't. It's like a dying breed, and unfortunately, there's not that many people that do it anymore. So these kind of businesses, so it's nice maybe because of BreezeMaxWeb and other websites and whatever, that they're bringing this out in the open for the younger generation to see,